Do you know that more than 83% of the paid marketing campaigns are not even able to break even because they don't have high converting landing pages? Hi, my name is Yash Agarwal, and on this channel, I will be coming up with various content videos that will be helping startup entrepreneurs and business owners to build, grow, and scale their online business. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about 5 major differences between websites and landing pages. So let's start. So the very first point is websites, they contains multiple web pages, but landing page is a standalone web page. So we will see this with an example. So here I have taken example of a company named Lead Square. So like this company is a software company that is mainly into like selling CRM softwares for various different industries. So like this is a web page, this is a website wherein like what we have seen first is like website contain multiple web pages. So like this is a website wherein this has multiple pages, like a products page wherein different products are listed, solutions page, industry page. So I am sure you might have seen many such kind of websites. And this is a landing page. I'm not sure whether you have seen landing page before or not. So like this is example of a landing page wherein there is only a single page. There is no header, there is no footer, there is only a single page. So like this is a landing page. Now coming to our second point, so like websites, they are interlinking of all the relevant pages, and landing page, it should not link to anything else. So again here you will see that this is a website, it is linked to many of these pages, and this landing page, there are no links on this landing page. So if we even scroll down, then only there are this informational blocks, like what this company do, what are the industries they serve, and some testimonials and all this thing. But there are no like links in the footer also, there are no links in the header also, and not a single link on this page, right? So this is our second point. Now the third point is, on websites, content is mostly informational. On the website, the content is mostly designed to create brand awareness and tell the brand story. But on the landing page, content is mostly transactional. It is mainly designed for a specific marketing goal, that is to generate either a lead or to make a sale. So again, if we'll go to this website, so here a lot of information has been like mentioned, like what are the different products that companies into, what are the solutions. So if we go down, then we'll see different industries. We can click on any of the industry, we'll see different customers that they are serving, different products that they are into. We can click on view more and go to that particular product pages. Then there are like difference between what will happen without lead square, with lead square, right? So and there is a footer containing all the information about the company, who are their partners, the media and news. So like a web page is to build trust, to tell the brand story, to build the brand authority. And now this landing page is used for transactional. So transactional, it doesn't mean that every time transaction means a sale. For mostly for B2B cases, transaction can be a lead, and for B2C, transaction can be a sale. So here if we see, and then like this landing page is specifically designed to like generate a lead for a free demo. So here if we see, then there is a button of get free demo. Again going down, there is a button of get free demo, right? So this was our third difference. Now the fourth difference is, generally we should use our website links whenever we are like presenting, whenever we are doing any conferences, or we are like exhibiting in various exhibitions, or whenever we are driving organic traffic to our brand, to our company. So we need to drive that organic traffic to our website, because while driving organic traffic or while presenting into exhibitions and conferences, we really don't know that our like the visitors in which of our product or in which of our services the visitors will be interested in. So like we will have to showcase them a variety of all options, all the products we will have to showcase them, like all our products or services that our company is providing. But while running paid campaigns, in order to maximize ROI of our paid campaigns, it is very, very much necessary to direct all our visitors to a specific particular landing pages. So, for example, if our company is providing like 5 products, then there should be a landing page. There should be 5 different landing page. There should be a landing page for each and every product or service that our company is providing. So ideally this should be the structure of the landing page. So like this was our fourth point. Now the fifth point is, we can see the main highlights. So like as already discussed, websites, they are mainly used to build brand authority, to tell the brand story. And landing pages, they are mainly, like the main highlights is, it is mainly built with a single goal in mind. And the landing page, that should have a clearly highlighted call to action. So like again, if we go to this website, then here you will be able to see that on this landing page, like everywhere get your demo is highlighted. So like if we see on the top, then there is a button get your demo. Then again, if we scroll down, then there are some customers, like top customers, the industries that they are working into, some of their product company highlights, then again get demo. Industries that they are working here, if you will see, there is no link on the industry, right? And when we'll go to this website, then there are links to this, right? So you got the difference between website and landing page. Here again this demo, then again like their process, how they go about in the demo, then some of their testimonials, and again get demo, no footer. Here if we see, if we scroll down, then for the products, like they have this view more button, and like going down, they are having a proper footer wherein all the links are mentioned, right? So this was our fifth point, to highlight the difference between websites and landing pages. So both are necessary. So as per situation, as per your marketing need, you need to focus on building website or building landing page. So if you want to download PDF of this, then you can just click on the link mentioned in the description box. And if you like my video, then kindly consider subscribing and please hit that like button. Also, thank you very much for watching this video.